What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to work with the Google Forms, Google Docs or images or the drive itself. So if you guys look at the sign of the drive here, let me pull this up so you guys can see it. So if you guys see the design of the drive, it has three different colors, one for the docs, one for the Google Slides, and then C for the all the documents. So it's a combination of slides, Excel, and then the drive, which also includes the form. So if I want to interact with them, first I have to connect the drive with it. So go to the connectors, go to the add connectors, and then go to the browse connectors option. Once you're in the browse connector, you just go ahead and search for the Google Drive. Here you will see that if I go ahead and search Google, it will show a few of the things like Google Drive, Google Chrome, and all you have to do is to click on this and then click on connect. Over here, ask Claude, can you see any Google form in my Drive and let me know. So what it will do, it will start pulling up all the details from that connector and will let us know what kind of forms are there. Because obviously, if we go for the forms, they are in the drive, and we have to wait for it till it boots up. So this is how it's gonna be, and yeah. So it didn't find any forms because I don't have it. So that's pretty much up for the video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.